Second question is, which of the following statement is correct for given structure? Structure name is a sulfuryl chloride. In that sulfuryl chloride, sulfur is the central atom. That sulfur surrounded by the two oxygens and two chlorines. Two oxygens are linked with the two double bonds, means here one double bond, here one double bond. Two chlorines are linked with the single bonds only. So here single bond, here single bond. So here angle between the double bond O Cl and two chlorines. So here angle between the oxygen and oxygen is a 120 degrees. Bond angle is 120 degrees. Sulfur and two chlorines between the bond angle is 111 degrees. So here chlorine is a 7th year group element. It forms one single bond and it has 3 lone pair of electrons. And oxygen is a 6th group element. It forms 2 bonds and it has 2 lone pair of electrons. Here also same like that only. Next here also same like that only. So here it contains, so your options are there. It contains p pi and p pi d pi bonds. So your chlorine is a, your sulfur undergo sp3 hybridization. In it is second excited state only. Second excited state. Then second excited state electronic configuration of sulfur is it is a 2s subshell, it is a 2p subshell, it is a 3s subshell. 2p subshell having 3 electrons and it is a s subshell, it is a p subshell, it is a d subshell. So here 2 electrons for d subshell. It undergo sp3 hybridization. So here we know, according to valency bond theory, hybridized orbitals formed sigma bonds, unhybridized orbitals form pi bonds. So here 4 bonds formation, sulfur surrounded with 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds formation and 2 pi bonds formation. So here oxygen of the p orbital, sulfur of the d orbital between the p pi d pi bond formation. Oxygen of the p orbital and sulfur of the p orbital to form another bond formation, that is a p pi bond formation. That's why, so here only p pi bond formation and p pi d pi bond formation. So that's why option A is correct only. And it has regular tetrahedral geometry. It is wrong answer because of, so just it is tetrahedral geometry, not regular tetrahedral geometry. Because of, according to VSEPR theory, lone pair is there and bond pair is there. Lone pair is there and bond pair is there. So lone pair and lone pair bond pair repulsion takes place. That's why it is just distorted tetrahedral geometry, not regular tetrahedral geometry. That's why option B is wrong. And next, here bond angle is 120 degrees, here bond angle is 111 degrees. According to VSEPR theory, lone pair and lone pair bond pair between the repulsions takes place. That's why bond angle is also reduced. That is a theta 3 angle is also reduced. Means theta 3 value is much more than that of theta 1 only. That's why theta 1 greater than theta 3 is also wrong answer. Next, option D, plane which contains maximum number of atoms is 4. Actually this structure is, here 2 chlorines are there. These 2 chlorines are opposite to each other. Then that structure is similar to water molecule structure. So here I want to take one example here, that is a sulfur, here chlorine and here double bond O, like this, or sulfur surrounded by it. See here, my hand is sulfur atom and here chlorine atom is there. Here double bond O, here double bond O, upside is one chlorine atom. So this is the plane. So this plane contains sulfur and chlorine. Means this plane contains how many atoms? 2 atoms only. These 3 atoms are outside of the plane. So that plane contains how many atoms? 2 atoms only. That's why plane which contains maximum number of atoms is 4. But here how many atoms are plane contains? 2 atoms. That's why option D is also wrong. Only option A is correct answer. Which of the following statement is correct for sulfuryl chloride? Means it contains p pi and p pi d pi bond formation.